It's January, and if it's been a little while since we last saw you, firstly, that's completely normal. Life gets busy, I fully understand that. Routines change, Christmas happens, New Year happens, and all of a sudden we're back in January. And sometimes our own health quietly drifts to the bottom of that list. January has a way of gently tapping us on the shoulder. It's not about perfection, it's about resetting, realigning, getting back to feeling like yourself again. So, why does January feel heavy? Well, most people notice it around now. Stiffness in the morning, low energy, it's dark, it's wet, foggy focus. Particularly over the festive period, routines can change. We move less, we sit more, we sleep differently, eat differently. Now, these are not failures, they're just signals. They're there to try and tell you that you need to do something before it gets too late. So, many people think that chiropractic is just for pain. But really, it's about how well your body is functioning every single day, every single week, every single month, year. How you move, how you sleep, how you focus, how you cope with stress. And not just mental stress, I mean physical stress, emotional stress. So when your spine moves better, your nervous system works better, and everything downstream starts to improve. So, what are my top 5 wellness tips for this new year to get you going? So, energy. Most January goals start with, I need more energy. Energy doesn't just come from pushing harder or getting up earlier. It comes from removing what's holding you back. When your body is aligned and moving properly, energy returns naturally. Everything works better, your body's in a state of flow. It's ease. Number 2 is sleep. So sleep is where your body heals and resets. So if you wake up tired or stiff, your spine and nervous system may be under stress. So small changes like better posture, reduced screen time, and regular care can really improve your sleep dramatically. If you've got any sleep trackers, like the Whoop or the Aura, those are also great. Number 3, lighter. So feeling lighter doesn't always mean losing weight. It can mean less tension, fewer aches, easier movement. Although I know a lot of us this January are trying to think about how we can lose a bit of weight. But that's really what we need to look after, is how we get your body moving better, feeling lighter. Number 4, support. So January is a great time to support your body, not punish it. So things like hydration, whole foods, magnesium for sleep and muscle relaxation, omega-3s for joints and inflammation, vitamin D, especially in the winter when we've got less sunlight, especially here in Britain. These simple, consistent habits will always beat extreme plans. Just keep ticking over, consistency always wins. And then number 5 is maintenance. So the healthiest clients aren't the ones who push the hardest. They're the ones who check in regularly. Chiropractic works best as part of your lifestyle, not just having a bundle of sessions when you're feeling pain. So it's really important to keep it ticking over. So, January Kickstart. We've got a January Kickstart check. If it's been a while since we've seen you, January is the perfect time to come back. That's why this month we're offering a January Kickstart check. It's not about finding problems, it's about seeing exactly what's changed since we last saw you. Maybe for the better, maybe for the worse. How your spine is moving, what your body might need going forward. So think of it as a reset point after Christmas. For returning clients, this Kickstart check is free. It's completely complimentary this January. There is no obligation to carry on any care afterwards, just clarity, guidance and support on what is happening with your body. So if you're ready to start the year feeling more comfortable, more energized and in tune with your body, I and the team would love to hear from you. So give us a call and we'll look forward to speaking to you soon, or fill in the form below and the team will get in touch with you.